Here are all the components for the Magneticonnect clamp. You will have the instruction card, additional padding, the clamp, the magnetic ring, and the metal ring. First, peel off the additional padding from its 3N paper. Then stick the additional padding onto the clamp. The added thickness allows the clamp to better secure onto the Ipod. Place the clamp by the lens diagonally. This position maximizes the clamp security. Now tighten the clamp by turning the back screw. Ensure that it is tight, but not so tight that you crack the screen. Give it a wiggle to see if you need to tighten it more. Now screw the magnetic ring onto the clamp. Then tighten the clamp more if needed. Then screw the metal ring onto the dermatoscope. And now you can connect the dermatoscope onto the Ipod. Again, make sure the clamp is firm. Turn on the dermatoscope by pressing and holding down onto the right-hand button if the lens is facing downwards. Turn and adjust the lens to the 0 position. And now it's ready to be used.